Did you know that your money could be growing while you sleep? If you've ever wondered how the stock market works or how to start investing, this video is your crash course. By the end, you'll be ready to make your money work for you. Let's dive in. Hi there. Welcome to Invest Smart, where we simplify the financial world for you. If the stock market seems confusing or intimidating, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll break it all down into easy-to-follow steps so you can confidently take your first steps toward investing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the stock market is, why investing is essential, and how to get started with a plan that fits your budget. The stock market is like a giant marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. Think of it like a farmer's market, but instead of apples and oranges, you're trading pieces of ownership in companies like Apple or Tesla. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. If the company grows and earns profits, your stock value can increase, which means you can make money. Sounds exciting, right? But remember, investing also involves risks. Now, you might wonder, why should I even invest? Here's the thing. Keeping your money in a savings account won't help it grow much, because interest rates are super low. But investing can help your money grow faster over time. For example, the stock market historically gives an average return of 7–10% per year. This is how you can beat inflation and build wealth over time. Before jumping in, here are 3 key terms you need to understand. Stocks. These are shares of a company. Owning stocks means you own a piece of the company. Bonds. Think of these as loans to a company or government, where you earn interest. They are usually safer but have lower returns. Mutual funds or ETFs. These pool money from many investors to buy a mix of stocks and bonds. They're great for beginners because they spread the risk. Next, you'll hear about terms like diversification. This simply means don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different stocks or funds, you reduce your risk. Now, let's talk action. Follow these steps to start investing. Set your goals. Why are you investing? Retirement, a new house, or just building wealth? Knowing your goal will help you choose the right investments. Decide your budget. Only invest money you won't need in the short term. Start small, even $50 or $100 a month works. Pick a platform. Choose an investing platform like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. They're beginner-friendly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to start investing, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more beginner-friendly guides like this one. Let's grow together.